Short version. I need a trash bin. I need several, actually. I need something to sort my trash and then put in actual bags later, but in the shop just sort it real quickly. I think I have an idea. Fortunately, I have these. It's old wood I have left from another project. You can see I've painted it, not fully. It used to be a cabinet, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so I took it apart again. But I have a lot of these, different lengths, and I might actually repurpose them into something useful.
I'm sorry that you messed up, but I don't take revenge. I'm leaving with my head up, yeah, I know I can't pretend. 'Cause it will never be the same. Let it follow you, see your face and feel ashamed. No, you better move. No, you better move.
I really needed a place to put my trash. Oh yes! Is it pretty? Not exactly. But does it work? Yes. And that's exactly what a shop needs to keep it clean. I might finish it a bit better someday. Sand it, paint it. Whenever I actually feel like it. Oh, why don't you do that now? Because I'll do it whenever I feel like it.